everyone, so it is me, Woubie. I wasn't recording for a very long time and this video is in fact very old because it's like 120 days old. You will see from my haircut. I wasn't selling those juices at the end. And also the juices that I made with bigger bottle, also I wasn't selling because I didn't have time. But I still want to add this video to my YouTube channel just because I like it, kind of. And also because I'm coming back. So enjoy! Yesterday I added a video how I'm trying to earn some money doing cold press juices, and I will continue that probably, but I need some special studio probably for that and many things to do it, so I can also sell it in stores and other places like coffee stores. But for now, today I will try to make ginger shots, but like my own way. Maybe other people also doing something like this, but this is my own way. That I figure out is kind of the best, and I will put those ginger shots in those small bottles, very cute bottles. So without making this video too long, let's start with the intro. Now what I will use to make those ginger shots: firstly, mint. I think the most important, organic ginger, some good quality honey. I think this is good quality. It was expensive, so I believe it's good. Some cinnamon sticks. Also a little bit of vanilla extract, and of course lemons. And that's it. So I could just cut lemons and ginger and put inside the pot, but I wanted everything to be very fine and also to get the best juice possible from this machine. Now I'm waiting for the water to be hot. Of course I could just put here all the water, but I want to make sure how much water there is and also to put good quality water. Now when my water is ready, let's start the gas, and now I need to just put all the ingredients that I have, like mint and also cinnamon, inside right here. Let's put also some honey like this. Lastly, just a little bit of vanilla extract, but it's not really necessary, I just like to add it. Now I need to wait for about 30 minutes on low heat, actually like 3 I have right here, and then I need to turn off the gas and wait about 10 minutes maybe, or maybe longer, even half hour, 1 hour, how long you wish actually, and then we need to combine those two juices together. So I added a little bit more water to make sure it's something about 2 liters. Also I changed to 1 right here, so it's barely working, but it's still good enough, like you can see. And don't forget to stir, it's very important. So it was about 40 minutes cooking and also 15 minutes staying without the heat, and you can see it's still really hot. So I have here already all my bottles. Those are 4 ounces, this small, you can see right now. And now literally all I need to do is separate all the pulp with something like this to different container and then pour to those bottles. And that's it. Alright, yeah, that was received for the ginger shot that I'm making very often actually. Maybe I'll make it tomorrow also, I'm not really sure about it, but I really love it and also I feel much better after it. Nevertheless, here is the photo that I took. It was April the 13th, I believe so, and here's another photo and video on the main screen. So like you can see, I made few, and the best way actually to do it is to put much more water than I showed in this video, because I did like 3rd time, now I make it already like 10 times. So I already know that, yeah, the better way is to just increase the water, so it's not that extremely strong, because it really can get strong if you're gonna wait also very long to like extract all the flavors. Anyways, thank you for watching and I hope you really like it. So leave a like if you can, basically. Alright, and also subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that, and see you in another video. I hope it's gonna be much quicker. Alright, bye bye.